Hello, friends. So, at this point of time, our whole nation is in the crisis of COVID. Every second person is suffering from COVID, and it's very important to know the signs and symptoms when you should get yourself tested. The basic ones is known to everyone, that is fever, cough, myalgia, body aches, and etc., which is being listed everywhere. But COVID can also present with few skin signs which you should be aware of. So, what are these things which you see on your body and you should consider yourself getting tested for COVID? I'll be dealing with all of them, and there are four major types of lesions. The first one being the papillovesicular lesions. What are these exactly? A small red tiny raised lesions which can appear mainly on your truncal area or your limbs as well. Some of them can be fluidful like chickenpox lesions, or it can be like a normal pimple. It can be itchy at times. So in case if you're suffering from this, be careful, get yourself tested. Another one, the second one is urticaria or hives, which we usually see because of any form of allergy, or it can be just an idiopathic urticaria. But at this time you have to be very careful. If you develop a new hive which you have never suffered from before, you are not a known to have it, then get yourself tested. Hives are usually red elevated itchy lesions which occur in your body. They occur usually in one part, subside there, then occur in another part of the body, and they are very itchy. The next one is called pityriasis rosea like lesions. They are usually scaly red oval patches which are seen on your truncal area, especially the back. It usually starts with one single scaly lesion and spreads in a distribution of Christmas tree pattern on your back. So be careful if you happen to see these kind of lesions. They're usually not itchy. They are asymptomatic, but you can see these scaly patches at times. Another one which are being encountered in COVID patients are few clot-like lesions, like small petite dotted blood clots on the surface of your skin, usually in the lower limbs. We even see the bigger ones, the purpuras, which is because of the superficial clots seen on your skin, and they are also in the lower limb. Another thing which is rarely seen in warm climates but can be seen in COVID patients even if the temperature is not sub-zero, that there's a chilblains or frostbite like lesions on your toes. So if you get any of these lesions, consider yourself getting tested for COVID. See a dermatologist and make sure that you're being properly diagnosed, and don't ignore any of these things if you're getting it right now at this point of time. Moreover, it's very important to mask up properly, always cover your nose, go out, step out only if it is needed, and take care of yourself. Stay safe.